everyone, welcome back to my channel. Lovely to see all of you here once again with me. Well, today I've tried to create this look which is for the Valentine's Day. It's a daytime look that I have created, so kept it really very subtle, fresh, and at the same time a little dewy and glowy for the day. And yeah, so in case if you've liked this look and you'd like to know how I've gone ahead achieving it, continue watching this video. The ones also watching me for the first time, request you to please hit that subscribe button and the bell icon which is just next to the subscribe button, which is going to notify you sooner my video has been uploaded. In case you like this video, please do give it a big thumbs up. Any queries, suggestions, mention them down in the comment section below. Until we meet again, take very good care of yourself. Let's get started with the video. I'm using the NYX HD concealer. I'm going to be using that as an eyeshadow base. We'll be applying that same on top of the eyelid and then blending it out with the beauty blender. The beauty blender that I'm using is from YBP Makeup Perfector. I must say it is one of the excellent makeup sponges ever. And something magical about it, once you start using them, it's really difficult to get back to brushes. However, after having applied that, now I'm using the banana powder to set the concealer on top of the eyelid, just so that it's a smooth base for your eyeshadows to be actually seamlessly working on your eyelid. I'm using this palette from MAC, which is Burgundy ×9. Using a fluffy blending brush, I'm using this lighter shade from the palette. I'm going to be working that color as a transition shade on top of my eyelid, making sure that it is being blended and distributed evenly. After that, using this little darker shade, I'm going to be working that on the crease line. Again, making sure that it is blended well enough. Somehow I always gravitate back to the Huda Rose Gold palette, using this lovely shade by the name of Bossy. Again, working it on my crease line so that it gives a good definition to the eye. Moving back again to the MAC palette, using this lovely rose gold shimmery shade. I'm going to be working that only on top of the eyelid. Make sure that you are not overlapping or the crease line area. We want this color solely to be working on your eyelid. After having done that, going to blend the colors of the crease and the color which is there on the eyelid. Taking a small flat brush and using the same deep color Bossy on the lower lash line. Moving back to Burgundy ×9 palette from MAC and using that shimmery shade on the inner corner of the eye, just to give it a pop, and then using this chubby stick from MAC on top of my brow bone, just to define the eyebrows a little more. It gives a very sharp cut to the eyebrow. Then applying this highlighter from the Makeup Revolution palette on top of the brow bone area. This is very important because it immediately changes the entire game of the eye makeup. Using the gel eyeliner from L'Oreal, applying it as an eyeliner on my eyelid. Need not be really very neat because we're going to be smudging this liner, as you can see that I'm doing right now, using a pencil brush for smudging the liner. Going back to the Burgundy palette and going to be taking this deep color from the palette, and we'll be applying the same thing on top of the eyeliner, just to give it a little smoked out look. We do not want any clear-cut liner lines, hence the smoky look. Using this wonderful eye mascara from Maybelline, that is Lash Sensational, which really defines your eyelashes. I'm going to be using 2 coats of the same In case if you wish to, after having done this, you can also apply falsies. Applying mascara on the lashes, the upper and the lower lashes. After this, we're done with the eye makeup. Moving on to the face, I'm using the YSM Inglot foundation, one of my favorite foundation. And now we'll be using one of my favorite things that I really like working with is mixing a little bit of illuminator in the foundation. Now the trick here is that we apply the illuminator only on the T-zone area where you know the light will hit first. So keeping the mixture a little separate for the entire face. With the help of this brush, I'm going to be now applying the mixed foundation and the little bit of illuminator on the T-zone of my face. With the help of this YBP Makeup Perfector, we'll be blending this product all around. Blending all the product well enough into the skin. I believe these makeup sponges really make life much simpler. So here I am dabbing all of the foundation and product right into the skin. Do not forget to cover your neck area as well as the ears. Using the same HD concealer from NYX, I'm now going to be using it for highlighting my face. That is going to be the under eye area, the bridge of my nose, Cupid's bow, chin, and the center of the forehead. So here we are done with the application of the light concealer to highlight the areas, and here we are ready. No, just joking. So yeah, we get on with the wonderful makeup sponge and we start blending all the highlight, the concealer that we have applied. Make sure that the time that you're taking to apply the concealer and blending is not too much, else it might just be a little difficult to actually blend the entire product on your face. So yeah, after having done that, I am now going to set this entire area wherever I have applied the light concealer as a highlighter. I'm using this banana powder from Ben Nye, applying it under the eye area, on the bridge of the nose, and everywhere else wherever I've applied this light concealer. Oh my god, this beauty takes my heart away. So finally got my hands on this lovely bronzer from Benefit, the Hoola bronzer. This is the brush that it came along with, and that's the packaging. I'm using this product for the first time and I am super excited. And yeah, that's the brush that I'm using to just bronze up my face. Since it's a day look, I really never wanted to contour my face, hence I have gone ahead bronzing my face. And I must say that the product is not all that pigmented, and it's excellent because you can build it up how much ever you'd wish to, and it is simply amazing. I am applying the bronzer on my forehead, as you can see, on the jawline, and now I'm going to be applying it a little on the lower lip area, and then I'm going to pinch the brush and apply it on the sides of my nose just to give it a little definition. Thereafter, moving on to using a blush, using my favorite blush palette from Inglot. I do understand that it looks a little too blushed up, but everything will fall in place because I would really not like to go in for a light blush, so I went in for too much, but not to worry, we will blend that. Using the same wonderful palette from Makeup Revolution, using it as a highlighter on the high points of my cheek, on top of my eyebrows, Cupid's bow, the chin area, and a little bit on the tip of my nose. After the entire exercise of applying the makeup, please do not forget to fix the makeup. Here I am using the MAC Makeup Fix Plus. Generously spraying it all over your face. Let it dry for a while. In case if you wish to, you can use the makeup perfector or the beauty blender and push all the product into your skin. And there, as you can see, this magic has really worked. It has got in all the things, whether it's your blush, the bronzer or the highlighter, very well defined. And here we are, almost done. Moving on to the lip color, I'm using the Retro Matte Lip Gloss number 5 from Pack Cosmetics. It's a lovely pink shade. It's a lovely rose pink color, and must say very comfortable on the lips as well. Almost done. Here's wishing all you lovelies a very happy Valentine's Day. Take care. So this is what the final makeup looks like. In case if you would like a little bit of gloss on your lips, you can apply the same only on the center part of your lips. And that's it. Until we meet again, take very good care of yourself. Bye-bye.